Hi there. Welcome back, everyone. As usual, after another busy university week, but not finished yet. So today's Wednesday, like only around midweek. But I like to tell you, like I'm coming back to brilliant.org for more educational video recording with some warm-up questions, like I did in the previous term. So let's give it a go, shall we? So I'm going to force this function in Python level 1, some warm-up exercise. But as a home tab page, I'd like to tell you again, here, Monday and Tuesday, I took 2 days break off. So chart streak will restore if I complete the exercise later after this today. I mean, this premiere, just ignore, no needed, not needed. Einsteinium League, 3 days left to join. So earn some XP to join the next leaderboard. So I might be able to enter new league for this week after this, right? So as usual, functions in Python, some warm-up questions is what I'm going to do. So I'll click start button here. All right, here are some warm-up questions. 3 different questions we encountered, so 3 tabs here. This is question number 1. What's the first letter printed by this program? Okay, check this message. Every third letter is real, P's and Y's. I 0. Why I less than message, so I. So exclude P. Every third letter, N equal plus 3. Which one is it? Every third letter, so LOC, it must be C. This one, let's check. That's correct. Let's click on why for reasoning. That's right. So explanation here says that the loop starts at I equals 0. Since message 0, first one is P, it's skipped. Next is I equals 3. So third letter after P is LOC. Yeah, C is the first letter printed. That's right. Simple letter execution problem. I just encountered successfully. So I'll click continue to the next. This is question number 2. Oh, what is wrong with this program? It should print every third letter unless it's a P. Yeah, let's see. Message, clue, every third letter is real, P's and Y's, 0. This must be correct, I think. Keep checking the first letter, so like message equals 0. I think it's not being ruled out. Let's check. Of course, that's correct. Okay, luckily correct. Why for reasoning? Using message 0, always get first letter. You should use message I to get letter position I. This 0 index is incorrect. Should be position I. Indeed, yeah. Simple execution, but you better watch out if they have slight minor errors that they might give to executing correctly. Alright. Anyway, continue. The last question to encounter will be, what will it be? Yes, this is the final question number 3 to encounter. Okay, fix the program. It should print every third letter unless it's a P. Oh yeah, P's and Y's again. This must be I. These two are correct, not P, then third letter P. Right. It should execute correctly now. Let's check. Oh yes, luckily this is correct. Let's click on why. Changing message 0 index to I index makes the loop read each position as I changes. So this is the correct statement highlighted on line 6, as you can see it. Not 0 index called like only first index will keep executing. So like mistake has to be corrected now. Okay, luckily correct. 3 warm-up questions successfully encountered now. As usual, I think it's time to finish this off by clicking on this finish tab again. Perfect. Let's keep the momentum going. As a result of this warm-up exercise completion on brilliant.org return after 2-day break, you can see, as usual, I've gained 55 XP. That's experience points around this timeout. Continue. Oh. Yes, my streak has successfully extended again. Here, after 3 days, Friday to Sunday, 2-day break, Monday to Tuesday, now streak has been restored with this perfect lightning bolt that is glowing to make this more fantastic. Right, 4 consecutive days, but that streak might have to be maintained as well. So continue. You on a streak charge. Charges save your streak if you miss a day. So like 2-day break, 2 streak charge, like have to be restored, and I got a new one. Right? Continue. Oh, it's better than the app. Over 95% of mobile learners prefer it. QR code as usual is given, but I'm not going to force it anymore because I only learn on PC, so not necessarily needed. Continue. Yes. Look at this Einsteinium league. After completing today warm-up exercise, and I've entered a new league starting from this week, but like until end of the week around Sunday when weekly session in this league will conclude. So like keep earning XP to climb this week's leaderboard. Alright, you see like 30 players, but bottom 10, like around 21st place. As it stands, I might be returning to previous league, but I'll definitely avoid this fate unless I do more exercises like this on brilliant.org as usual. So continue. Learn faster with personalized practice only on Premiere. Okay, no need to repeat that, right? Remind me later. Alright, back in functions in Python. Write Python programs with functions, the building blocks of scalable software. Right? Everybody knows like that's the main objective that I already spoken about it. And next is functions, but not going to practice that. Maybe I'll force it later on. Anyway, that's it all for today's educational recording video that I've created. So thank you very much for watching, and if you do enjoy watching, so don't forget to add a like as always and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is me in which is called Rooney Lin, with other similar educational video recordings you probably should discover unless you have previously viewed them before, as well as other similar contents like my favorite sessions, chapters, yeah, how should I call them? Gaming music and Jimoao music, either long videos or shorts, they are all mixed up and just placed together like in playlists. So why not click on those playlists and view them out specifically if you like to find more interesting content. But I'll keep recording these educational videos like this in the future, so just don't miss out if I go on to the next one. So the better thing is I'll recommend you to keep subscribing so don't miss out my latest videos channels, of course. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Cheers. Bye for now.